How's it going, everyone? My name is Junior. I'm your local one-stop decorating installer, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to take down and reinstall your designer roller shade. Okay, so first things first. Just like every other shade with a cassette, you're going to see these plastic clips on the back of your shade. You're going to push up on each plastic piece one at a time, and it is going to release your shade. Depending on how big your shade is will determine how many brackets you have. To reinstall your shade, all you need to do is grab your shade, put it up to the bracket, and push back. You'll hear a click. To know you did it correctly, it should sound similar to this. Here's a cross view of how it looks when taking down your shade with these types of brackets. As you can see, you want this lip on the bracket to go under the lip on the back of your shade. When you push your shade to the front of the bracket, you will hear this sound. Here's another representation, and that shade is going nowhere. For those of you who have an older shade, this is what your bracket will look like. You want the hook on the front of your bracket to hook on the front of the shade. When you push back and up, kind of like a rocking motion, you will hear this click. To take down this shade, you will see a slot on the bottom of your bracket. Just get a flathead screwdriver and push back on that slot. That'll release your shade. Again, depending on how big your shade is will determine how many brackets you have. And there you go, guys. That's how you take down and install your designer roller shade. See you guys in the next video. Bye.